Hello from Contentrain and welcome to our walkthrough video series. In this walkthrough, I'm going to show you how to connect your workspace to a Git provider. Just click the Connect button here on the banner. Select your provider to proceed. It takes you to GitHub to grant Contentrain the permissions. Click Authorize Contentrain. Then select the account you want to install Contentrain. Click Install and Authorize. Now you'll see here your account with the installation. Please note that you can connect only your personal account to your primary workspace, and if you would like to connect an organization account, you'll have to create a secondary workspace. Select your account and proceed. After this step, the installation process will be complete, and your workspace will be connected to your Git provider. You can utilize the premium features for your workspace with various plans, or continue using your workspace freely on the developer plan. Keep watching for more videos of Contentrain's walkthrough series.